Do you have a good script of what to say when your buyers get cold feet because they're worried about high interest rates? Do you have a good script of what to say to buyers when they get cold feet and they're concerned that the market may be slowing down and prices may be coming down? Do you have scripts for those? Well, don't worry because I've got the answer for you right here today. So, hey, everybody, it's Tahoe Tony. I had movie night last week and I told you I was going to give you an update. And the video we watched on movie night was how to become a marketing monster, a real estate marketing monster. It was by John Glutch. He was awesome. The video was packed full of probably over at least 20 great ideas with scripts of what to say when a buyer has cold feet or what to say to a seller when a seller is like, well, what we want to sell our house. My neighbor's house sold 6 months ago for over asking. What's going to happen with mine? Are you prepared for that? John Glutch has all the answers. He sold over 700 homes last year, so he knows what he's doing. And our we're in the Brent Gove organization, and Brent Gove, he always does events, and he has two reasons for doing events. He wants to increase our real estate training so we can make more money, so we can, how's it go? We get more commissions, we make more money, we bring home more money to our family and loved ones, and we get to spend more time doing the things we want to do instead of the things we have to do. And this is my goal for you as well. So Brent has these events with real estate training so that you can get better at real estate. The second reason is he's trying to add value to the real estate community. So what he wants you to do is say, hey, these events are really good. We get some great training. Would you like to come to another realtor, not necessarily an EXP, from a different office, somebody you did a transaction with? Say, hey, Sally, that was awesome. I really enjoyed doing that transaction with you. Um, my friend Brent Gove is putting on this real estate training next week. Would you like to come? I'd love to bring you if you like. And there you go. But we can't always go to the live events. Most of them are in the Sacramento area, and I know a lot of you are in different states. So what I'm going to do is I started doing it in the EXP office is movie night. So I'm just going to play a video of one of these great real estate trainings, and I'm doing it in my office, and I invite all the realtors in town. And we did it last Thursday. It was pretty great. We had some really good discussion talking about the movie and everything. And which brings up one point right here. When you I played the movie, I stopped it about halfway and we had a short discussion. I probably should have stopped it after about like 20 minutes. It's an hour and 23-minute video. I should have stopped it after 20 minutes, had a discussion, got another 20 minutes, had a discussion, and then obviously had a discussion at the end. I will tell you, not everybody agreed with everything John said, but we're all independent contractors, so we can do everything our way. But everybody was greatly amazed at how excellent the training was and how applicable it is to right now in our market, how it's going right now. So I highly recommend you watch this video. But let's think of it like Brent Gove style. He is the best at Asian attraction. So why don't you have a movie night in your house, or if you have a lender's office somewhere or something you want to use? But I think in your house might be more personal and might help people come even more. So what I would do if you want to invite some other EXP agents in your neighborhood or in your area, and then open it up to inviting like 5 to 10 other agents in different offices, people maybe that you did a transaction with, or friends, maybe you're friends with, or somebody you went through continuing education with, whoever you are, if you have any kind of relationship with that person, or maybe there's one of your neighbors. Say, hey, there's this great video where this guy, and just say, hey, do you know what to say when buyers are getting cold feet about the interest rates? Well, this guy's got the answers. Why don't you come over Thursday night? We'll make some popcorn and we'll watch this great training film, and we'll talk about how it applies to our market. So when you keep adding value like that to agents, and they're coming to your house, maybe they'll start going to a live event, and they're like, wow, thanks, Chris. This EXP is adding more support than my broker's doing. Can I join with you? And that's it's the easiest way, the most organic way to do agent attraction, where you're just adding value to people. And when I have events in my office, you should always try and invite other agents that are not with EXP that you think you can help their lives. And some people are like, I don't really want to do recruiting. Well, I don't think it was recruiting. I think it was, I'm helping you. I did real estate for 20 years before I came to EXP Realty. I never even close to the amount of support, the amount of training, the composition plan where I get to go at 100% commission. I get stock in the company. It's changed my life. And I think it's irresponsible if you're not helping other people change their lives by getting all the things you get in EXP. So if you helps you to think of it that way, like, oh, I'm being selfish by not sharing this great company that's allowing me to get stock, allow me to get training from the best agents in the country. So I'll make this short and quick. Sorry, I get so excited about EXP, but I'm going to attach the YouTube clip to this email so you can have a copy of it, and you can go to John Glutch's site if you want and just play that video for your some other realtors, EXP, and some other realtors that are not with EXP that you would love to bring to EXP, and you're going to help them out so that they get to be like you, where they make more money, they get to keep more of their commissions, they bring more money home to their loved ones, they get to spend more time doing the things they want to do and not the things they have to do. So thank you so much. If you want to let me know, have any questions about movie night, or needing more details, or if you do a movie night, please let me know. I would love to get some feedback. Maybe you can teach me how to make my movie night better. Awesome. Thank you, everybody, and let's expect success. Love it.